Welcome. For me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. And obviously to get started you'll want to open up your settings right here. From there we're gonna scroll down to General Management, and right here you can see Reset. Click on it, choose Factory Data Reset. It will tell you that performing this will remove basically everything that is provided right here. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep, do make a backup copy of it beforehand. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, you can tap on Reset. If you have some pattern, confirm it, or PIN or password as well, and then select Delete All, and this will begin the process. Now this will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it has, we'll then be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.